Hello to you all. I hope you are all doing well. Today is another recipe that I'm sharing with you. We are cooking Ghana jollof rice, and I'll start by cooking the meat. So I'm going to marinate this meat for 10 minutes. I have ginger, onion, garlic, and then the spring onion blended on this meat. And these are the other ingredients that we are going to use for today. Feel free to use any ingredient that you have at home. Cooking, like I always say, does not have a soul. So you as a cook bring soul to the food that you are cooking. I shared this recipe on my Instagram page and someone said, this is not Ghanaian jollof rice. Yes, it is not Ghanaian jollof rice. There are a lot of ways cooking food. You as a chef, like I said, bring soul to the food that you're cooking, or you upgrade. You can upgrade any recipe that you love cooking most. So I'm done marinating this meat for 10 minutes, and I'm now cooking the meat. So I add water to cook this meat, and it is done. So let's go fry this meat and then make the stew to prepare this jollof rice because I'm hungry. So on a large pot that I'm gonna use to make the rice, I have my oil, onion, bay leaf, and then the green onion to infuse the oil. And then I'm gonna add the meat and fry. You can fry this meat to any color that you want. When it's done, home sweet food. I'm done frying the meat, and at this point, here's the second one. At this point, you can strain the oil or use another oil. But I tasted mine and it doesn't taste bitter. Then I added my sliced onions and gonna fry this to golden brown or to translucent. Then we add other ingredients and keep on stirring, or you can stir continuously not to get this burnt. And I'm now adding my blended onion, pepper, rosemary, garlic, and then ginger. And at this point, I'm adding my blended tomatoes. Then you stir, let it be on fire to cook for 7 minutes. Then I add my tomato paste. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food, and if today is your first time watching my program, don't forget to like this video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share with your loved ones. It helps me to grow this channel. I'm now adding my tomato paste. I'm now adding the meat stock from the meat that we cooked earlier on. Then we stir, and I'll let it be on fire for 10 minutes before I'll add any other ingredients. Hey, when you're cooking, just give it a time and let the food cook, and you can do this step by step, and you are going to enjoy your food. Home sweet food, adding paprika, onion, and then some herb seasoning. Yes, let everything be step by step, and you're going to enjoy your jollof rice. Jollof rice better nichina abomuna and your bosso kasa. So I just added some fish and let this be on fire for just 5 minutes. Then we add the rice. So the 5 minutes is over, and I'm going to set some of the stew aside. And don't end up taking all of your stew. If you want that nice looking jollof rice like I shared with you in the beginning of this video, and don't take all of the stew. and you keep on stirring, and if there's the need to add more stew, you can do it. I'm gonna cook this on low heat, on low heat, so that then add 1 cup of water, and then that'll be all. You wash the rice, and then the stew too is enough, and then 1 cup of water is good. Yeah, that's how I want my rice. I don't want all that soft, so keep on watching. Yes, at this point I'm giving it a quick stir to let the heat transfer evenly. Jollof rice, no, enjoy jollof rice. So we are done cooking this jollof rice, and at this point it's up to you whether you wanna add anything or you can serve your jollof rice. So I added some diced carrots, and then the sweet peas, anything that you want to add to your jollof rice to make it healthy or look nice, presentable to your loved ones. You can do it. I added some green onion, and then the beef that we fried, and we are done. So when I shared this post, a friend of mine said, no, this is not Ghana jollof rice. Yes, Ghana jollof rice. We always upgrade, right? You can't be eating one food all the time, so you need to upgrade. Then we're gonna fry the red plantain that I showed you in the beginning. I have some hot pepper, you have onion, ginger, and then some salt, and then I'm gonna fry this and then enjoy it with the jollof rice. This is optional, but this is how I like to eat my jollof rice with. Thank you for watching this video, and then thank you all for the support. Love you all. Stay safe till we meet in another video. Love you all. Bye bye.